Hey, I'm Chris, and I manage the commercial accounts team. But I like to think of myself as ProntoForms' greatest import. You may be asking yourself, why was I asked to host this tour? Isn't it obvious? Everyone loves an Irish accent. Come on with me. This is Debbie. She's our great first impression, and she always has a hilarious story. Hey, Debbie.
Morning, Chris.
How was your evening?
Great. Went home, walked the dog, had dinner, watched a movie.
You're too much. These are our ProntoForms core values. I walk by this wall every morning as I come in. We take them seriously. They inspire us to be our best. This is the network closet where we keep our IT manager, Joe. Everything okay in there, Joe? I'm sure he's fine. This is Lisa. She's our VP of People and Culture.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, Lisa. Lisa, we're making a short video about a day in the life of a Prontonian. Do you mind listing off the 3 best things about working here?
Oh my gosh, for sure. So number 1, great people. Number 2, fun work environment. Number 3, we have a product we're super proud of.
Okay, great.
Number 4, dog friendly. Number 5, there's always a ton of food.
Bonus 2, thanks.
Number 6, awesome location. Number 7, have you seen the...
This is our CEO's office. He has an open door policy. Let's test it out. Hey, Alvaro.
Hey, Chris, come on in.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
This is Alvaro Pombo, or as I like to call him, ProntoForms' greatest import.
So kind of you, Chris. The best import of this company are all of our employees.
I'm glad to hear that. What would you say are the keys to our success?
As a Latin, I have to start with passion and hard work.
So inspirational.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you. Let's move on. If you work for ProntoForms, you work hard, you play at home. Here, it's all business. Hey. Eyes on me. Come with me. There's someone I want you to meet. Here we are at customer implementation.
Hi.
Can you give the viewers an example of a request you might get from a customer?
Sure. Here's a simple one. Is there any way I can dispatch a form back to my manager to have him sign off on a work order, but only if 30% of the inspection fails?
Oh, yes. Simple.
Yeah, and the form must also contain one image if question 1 is set to no.
I see.
Yeah, there's more to that.
No, that's fine.
Okay then.
This is mad marketing. They're probably drinking fancy coffee, scrolling through social media, and doing arts and crafts. Hey, Jordan, what are you guys up to?
Well, Chris, we're actually working on a super important campaign, which I'm pretty sure is going to put money in your wallet.
Hey, Jordan, where'd you put the glitter?
Not now, Danica.
This is one of our interview rooms. Let's take a peek. Well, we do pride ourselves on being an equal opportunity employer. This is Dustin, our Director of Finance and Operations in his natural habitat. He appears to be working on Pythagorean theories, Fibonacci sequences, or in this case, it's an algorithm to pick out the perfect fantasy football team. Yeah, that's what it is. In this boardroom, all of our big decisions are made and major debates settled. Let's listen in.
So what's your take on this?
My take is pineapple has no place on a pizza.
Why are you arguing about this again? I thought this was a budget meeting.
Moving on.
256, stand-up desks. Number 257, fantastic swag. Number 258.
This is our snack bar, but I try and stay away. Oh, look at our awards. This is Scott in support, and Shona from Customer Success. They're like our Lennon and McCartney,
Thank you, Chris.
our Bonnie and Clyde,
Great introduction.
our Thelma and Louise.
They get it.
In all honesty, you guys are a massive part of ProntoForms. Can you tell us a little bit about what your teams do?
In customer success, we like to be proactive to stay ahead of our customers' needs.
And in customer support, we are the last line of defense. We react to any unexpected issues that our customers face.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Thanks, guys. This is our customer dashboard. It's really cool. Think of it like the vital signs monitor for the ProntoForms platform. We guarantee 99.9% uptime, which I'm told is really close to 100%. Looks like R&D are doing their sprint demo. This is where the magic happens. We can't stay too long though. Wouldn't want to spoil how the rabbit gets into the hat. Our final stop, the lunchroom. And it appears that we're having a fun lunch. So this is where I leave you. Thanks for taking this tour of ProntoForms with me.
Hey buddy, back in line.
You can cut that out, right?